la 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 la. Take what you want, steal my pride, fill me up, or cut me down to size. Shut me out, but I'll just scream. I'm only one voice in a million, but you ain't taking that from me.
Oh, it's lovely being here. There's such a nice reception out there. You know, sometimes you think you're gonna get out of the car and there'll be like 3 people, you know, there. So it's always nice when people show up, especially in the cold, and come out for it. So I really appreciate it. It's nice.
I've been thinking, my heart is like a last.
Well, I've been here quite a few times. I haven't had a chance to look around this time. I'm hoping I'll get a few hours in order to spend some time looking around.
What would you find if you strip me, strip it all away? I'm still the same. Take what you want, steal my pride, fill me up.
I love the idea of seeing what's just off camera, the chaos that's just surrounding the frame.
But you ain't taking that from me.
I think it's funny. So I think, you know, it's an entertaining film.
You ain't take what you want, steal my pride.
I think it's something that everyone can relate to. It's just a fun ride.
Die wunderschöne Rachel McAdams, Mr. Harrison Ford.
Taking that from me.